What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click on the red subscribe button and make sure you turn on the bell notification icon so at any video I drop you get it once in your notification feed, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to sell your PayPal funds. A lot of people have issues with selling their PayPal funds, or when they work as freelancers online and they get paid via PayPal. Sometimes converting it to Naira can be a Herculean or difficult task. Now, for you to receive funds with PayPal, you are not going to use a Nigerian PayPal. It must have to be a business PayPal of another country. And even though you are allowed to link a USA bank account, which is in your name, to that PayPal account, which I've done mine, some people are still finding it very difficult to link USA bank accounts in their name to their PayPal accounts for withdrawals. So today, guys, I'm going to bring you a method that will eliminate the USA bank account linking and enable you to sell your PayPal funds even without needing international passports. For this to work, you just have to sign up on the website. It's more like a P2P platform, and you're going to receive your PayPal funds in Naira at the highest value, from at least $550 and above to $1 US. So without wasting any further time, join me and let me show you exactly how I do this. I recommend you watch this video to the end so I don't miss any step in this whole process. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is WATERFRED'S, and I recommend you subscribe to my channel if you find any value in it. So this is Pexbank website. When you are here, the thing you are going to do is just, when you've set up your account and everything, you can click on dashboard, or you can as well right click to offers or requests. I already click on dashboard, so it's loading. When you scroll down, when you're on dashboard, you will see my cash wallet balance. You will see incoming sales 23,200. When you want to add money on this platform, you can click on deposit right here and follow the on-screen instructions. If you want to withdraw, you click here and withdraw your money. Now, basically, what we are here to do, I right click and open offers. Yeah, if you scroll down, or if you are here, if you click on offers, you'll still be landed on this page. This is a place where you see people are buying or selling stuff. I've set up offers, everything. I'm going to teach you how to create an offer real quick, and it is not hard. So when you are here, you want to create an offer. Let's say you have PayPal already that you want to sell, and a lot of people will be like, how do you buy your PayPal? Gone, that is the problem. How do you get PayPal? The truth is, I get my PayPal via several means. I don't just receive. It's not only one means where you get PayPal. You can receive PayPal from when you work online. You can get PayPal when you work online. You can as well buy PayPal from someone else that is selling cheaper, and then you play the trade higher here. You can as well receive PayPal from a friend who wants you to exchange it for him more. So there are no specific rules to get PayPal. When you come to my listing, you click on my listing, click on this add new offer. Now, before posting, ensure that you can deliver new orders. 2,000 Naira penalty fee will strike reported accounts that force order cancellations. So you just click on what? New transfer order. So on this platform, please don't just post ads for fun. Make sure you have something you are buying or selling. Offers indicate that you want to sell and exchange or send a fund. So payment type, you look for whatever you want to sell. In this case, I want to sell PayPal. So you just type a quick description this way, and then number of days to deliver. I would just advise you put it in 1. This flash sale, just don't put anything here. If you want to boost your offer for an extra fee, so that more people will see it, you can activate this. But as well, you can as well sell with the free adverts. Then you click on proceed. Then right here, when you are here and you want to sell, now this part is quite dicey or quite tricky. Let me just put it that way. When you select goods and services, a lot of people may want to run away from you. When you select family and friends, more people will seem to buy from you. When you select this one, goods and services / family and friends, they may be confused. Now look at what you are going to do. Select family and friends to attract more customers. But even if you are sending with goods and services, what you're going to do is just realize that PayPal always charge about 6.5 to 6.8% when you are sending fees. So let's assume that you have $25 for sale. Okay, yeah, what you just have to do is calculate 7%. They may not be up to 7%, but just say 7 divided by 100. equal to this times 25. You are likely to be charged 1.75 when you send $25 to that person. So just say this 1.75 now minus 25 that you have. So make sure you set an ad for $23. Now for that, this 23 USD now, whether you send via family and friends or whether you're using goods and services, the person must receive this 23 because you have enough money to cover the fees. So you set family and friends, and then country, select country. You may select country, but I just leave it. Anyone from any part of the country that can buy from me. So I'll put mine $22 because I have about 24 point something to sell. And then minimum order, still tell them 22. Some may want 10, 5. So and then you put your rates 550. I want to sell 550. Okay, and then what you just do is click on post offer. So you can see now you have just posted your offer. Your offer is not published, so you can see if you scroll down, you see other people that are selling to, and you can say return to post dashboard. So right here now you see your order is active, and what you just have to do is keep an eye on your email, or you can stay online for people who wish to buy from you. So if you take a good look at my PayPal accounts now, you see that I've linked 2 USA bank accounts that are all in my name to it, and I've also verified my PayPal as well. So if you need me to set up these accounts for you and link them up legally and legitimately, please know that you're going to need a valid international passport or a valid driver's license, and also know that my services are paid services. Now if you look at my messaging, you see that I already have messages coming in. Maybe based on my previous adverts or on this one, I don't know. Before you receive an order, you may post and then you start receiving an order instantly, let's say after 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Sometimes it may be up to 24 hours, sometimes maybe 6 hours. There are no fixed rules because the number of people here are way lesser than the number of people that are on platform like Binance. So if you look now, you see that I have orders waiting for my approval. Let's refresh it real quick. Yes, you see what PayPal order waiting. This guy wants to buy $500 at the rate of $500 to $1. This one also wants to buy. Now if you go to my active trades, if you click here and go to my active trades here, and then you click on my sales, you see the one I have. Actually, I have this guy I want to sell at $550 to $1, and I have this guy already whom I've approved this order. And then you can click on order page to see what he's saying and everything. You can communicate with him here and then know what's up with the whole thing. You can as well see the amount of time you have left. You see this order has 2 hours left to be completed. If after 2 hours me and this guy doesn't reach a consensus on the amount and everything, the order is going to expire. Yes, and then another thing now is you can still click here to see your messages. You can click here to see your messages and see what people are saying. Okay, you can see this guy has sent me his email. If you look down here, you will see that this guy has sent me his email. You see I'm in for a buy. I said okay bro, sorry for the late reply, how do you want to pay? Everything $550. You see he said hello, he wants to pay through Pexbank, and this is the email. So right now I'm going to send him an offer. I'll just tell him okay bro, let's do this, and then I'll send him an offer. See, I've seen his email, but if I send him an offer, let me just copy this email real quick. So I'll just come here immediately and send this guy an offer. Click on send offer, and then I'm sending him $22, and the rate I'm selling is $550 and the amount is $22, and I'll deliver in 1 hour. So you can see that I just sent this guy an offer. You are the sender of this offer, $550 to $1, you see. And then we have 23 hours. Offers expire in 24 hours if you don't pay or if it's not completed. So you can see I've sent this guy an offer. He seems to be a serious buyer, so let me just watch him for giving like few hours, 1 hour or 2 hours to reply to this. And I must have to state that whenever you are dealing things, when you're on Pexbank, please keep an eye on your email. You may receive an order anytime and you may not know. So you see I got a new order. This guy just purchased. You see you've sold the offer named PayPal $550 to $1 to this guy. Get in touch, log into your email, log into your account, Pexbank account. So I've logged in, and you can see that this guy, you see his name, Femco. And what I'm going to do now is before you do this, before you send PayPal to him, please make sure that you've gone to the private message to receive to look at the email he sent you, or you can as well go click on other page here. If you just go like this, other page, yeah, you will see details of it. You see delivered to, he didn't write it here, but we already talked in the inbox. That's why it's always good for you to communicate first with the guy. You can see with the buyer or the seller, Cool Femco. So if you go to the message I have with him, so I go to Cool Femco. This is the guy that purchased it. So just as he purchased it, you know that before he will click on that purchase or allowed to be before he can be allowed to purchase it, he must have loaded his Pexbank with money, and then he got debited, or like the money went on a freeze. You see, this is him, and he has sent me his email right here. So I'll just copy it. I already copied it earlier. So what I will just do now is head to my PayPal. Now on PayPal, I have 24.40 for this guy. 6.8% that PayPal will charge. Let me assume that I always assume that the guy is receiving via goods and services to avoid his money getting reduced when he receives it. 6.8% divided by 100 is equal to this, multiplied by 24. This is the amount I have on PayPal, 24.40. You see that this amount will go for charges most likely. So just say minus the main amount, 24.40. You see, this is 22.7 something. So that's why I just put 22 there, because Pexbank does not allow point something. So I just put 22. Click on these three arrows here. Click on send or request money. And remember, please, you have to take this seriously. When you head to Pexbank, there are when you get to Pexbank here, yes, or when you are here and you just click here, like I said before, and click on other page, you will see some instructions for you to follow, and you must have to follow those instructions for this order to be carried out, unless you make a mistake and it may lead to loss of funds. You see, they say log into your PayPal, click on send, enter payee email address, enter the amount you are sending, and then add this note. You see the note, and then send money. So I'll come to PayPal. What I'm going to do now is paste his email address, paste, and PayPal will detect it. So I'll click on it. And then remember, please do not forget to add the notes. Now I will be sending all my money, 24.40, so he can receive at least $22. If you notice that at this point you can see options for you to send via family and friends, then please do not put 24.4. Don't pay more than what the person ordered for. If you see an option, if you click and see an option for you to pay via family and friends, please just pay the exact amount that the person ordered for. But if you don't see any option and the only option you have is to pay via goods and services, then please send at least 7% higher, or minimum of 6.8% higher than that person ordered for, so the person will get exactly the same amount that he or she ordered for at Pexbank. I will now say, what is this payment for? Please come to Pexbank and then copy this. Okay, copy this. You don't have to copy the hyphen at the end, just copy this. When you copy this, copy it, and then you paste it here. You see, as simple as that. And then you click on continue. After sending, you can come here, you just come here and click on mark delivered. And please don't mark this if you've not set the payment. Send it first, and when it has gone successfully, you click on mark delivered. So after about 3 to 6 hours of bargaining with different people and me not constantly being online, going out and coming in, I finally made a deal and sold my PayPal. Now if you just click on my listing right here, if you click on my listings, if you right click it, you'll be brought to this place, and then when you are here, you can click on my sales. You will see I still have some active orders, and you will see what completed. I have one that is completed already, so let's click on it. So you will see that I sold $22 to this guy. The first buyer, the PayPal of that guy could not receive funds, so I had to place the order again, and then message someone else bought it. Yes, this guy, and then $5.50 is the rate, and then $22, and then of course I got paid 22 times $5.50. This is how much I got paid, and then I had $250 in my wallet. That's why my cash wallet balance is now reading $12,350. So let's refresh it real quick. So you can see it. Yeah, everything real, everything soft. Yeah, so you can see now. So I've completed this deal. So this is how you can be buying and selling your PayPal Unlimited. Now another thing I still want to let you know is while placing your order, you can still as well use family and friends, or you can use goods and services. Just make sure you stick to whatever price that you see, whatever amount of PayPal that you say you want to deliver, make sure you deliver exactly that same amount. If the PayPal that you are going to send to permits family and friends, then you can send exactly how much you place there. If it's goods and services, then make sure you send at least 7% higher, so that when PayPal deduct their fees, that person is going to receive the exact amount that he ordered for. So what we are going to do now is just to withdraw my money. What I'm going to do is just to withdraw my money, this 12,350 right away. So I just scroll down, and when I scroll down, sorry, I passed it here. This is withdraw. I'll just click on withdraw. So you can see cash balance, this. So this total amount I've withdrawn so far. So it asks me which bank are you withdrawing to. I want to withdraw to my Global's bank, and I want to withdraw 12,350. Yeah, my cash wallet balance. So I'll just click on withdraw. Okay, you will see your request has been queued, redirecting. So immediately, instantly, you will now see that my cash wallet balance is now 0. So the money has been withdrawn, and you now see what pending withdrawals 12,350 Global's bank. So I did this at night, and this is weekend, so I will just spend them. I will just spare them less than 24 hours for this to come in. It won't be up to that, but I know I'm doing this on a Sunday, so I guess before 12 tomorrow being Monday, I'm going to receive this money in my bank account. Another thing I would like you to take note of on this platform is their social media group, or their Telegram group, which is extremely important. When you scroll down, you will see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and their Telegram group. Now just log on to this platform with your phone, and then, or if you're on your system if you wish to, but if you log onto your phone, it will just open the Telegram and you join the group. Now once you join this group, you are going to be receiving offers. I mean, any offer that is posted on this platform will automatically appear on that place. So not like spamming something that everybody is commenting. They don't comment or discuss that. The only thing you see there are offers, buy and sell orders, all kinds of e-wallets or cryptocurrencies that you wish to purchase, especially the ones that are already set up on this platform. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you don't enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section, and make sure you share my video on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, so other people too and learn from these ways that will make passive income online. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next one. Peace.